Auto car repair shop or vehicle dealership job, most mobile mechanic will not do at your house.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanics.
Hi,
Hello?
I'm calling to see do you guys work on foreign cars.
Yes, ma'am. What type of car do you have?
It's a Mini Cooper S, and then need a timing chain kit, and I have the part.
CarHelpout.com.
That's
It's the
not something
convenience.
a mobile mechanic can do. That's something that have to be done at a shop for the most part. I wouldn't advise a mobile mechanic doing that.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Oh, okay. Well,
Because the motor, basically the motor has to be dropped out of it.
mhm.
So you would want that done on a lift. You wouldn't want your motor to be dropped and be scooting sideways and stuff like that, and especially dealing with that timing.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good one.
So if you are
We
waiting for
buy
the perfect
houses
time to
cash
seize this
or
opportunity, the
term.com.
time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs?
buy
Going through
houses cash or
foreclosure?
term.com.
Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house?
We
Tired
buy
of paying
houses
taxes
cash
on a
or
vacant house?
term.com.
No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
We buy houses cash or term.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and
It's the
hassle.
convenience.
We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else,
CarHelpout.com.
we can help you with
It's the
PPI
convenience.
inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.